Hello, YouTube. If you've seen my Angry Coco video, well, the reason I made that video was because I love the game Angry Birds, which today I'm going to show you something. I went to the store, and I got some Angry Bird stickers. Well, I didn't really get them. They brought them back for me, but I'm not really a big fan of stickers. But I thought I could make it like a blooper picture with them. So yeah, here they are. I've got a common bird right here. Of one of those, that bird that splits into three when you click on it. Two super fast birds, right here and right here. 4 pigs, a normal one, a damaged helmet one, a damaged mustache one, and a king one. And I got a bomb bird and a white bird, one of those egg shooting birds, and an egg shooting bird after it dropped the egg. And right here, I've got one of those boomerang birds that come back when you click on it. So yeah. So if you haven't played Angry Birds before, which most people have, comment if you haven't played Angry Birds, and you really should play it. It's a great game. Right. Stay angry, YouTube.